views and opinions expressed in these videos are for those of the individuals involved and do not necessarily reflect the official position or views of Point 5 Creative Studios. Content presented is for informational and discussion purposes only.
My good people, I hope I find you well. Right. I have a challenge with people, and I should actually express my disappointment with people that are just good at blaming and passing on negative messages and not doing the right thing that gets things going. The issue here is about this young guy who's in prison. What's his name? Nyokayemabhunu. Yeah, Wellington, Masiwa. The young guy is locked up. Everyone knows that. The momentum is died out. At the very same time, he still remains the person in trouble. If I look at the group that he had created before he got himself in this mess, he had more than close to 300,000 subscribers. After all, you've got people that are just on social media, topping up every day with their data, just to pass on negative comments when you tell them the truth. One thing I'll never stop doing is telling you the truth. I'm not here to entertain you. I just have to serve you with truth. If truth excites you, be blessed. If it doesn't excite you, I can't help it. The honest truth is the young guy is now languishing in prison. Not because there's still a lot of things complicated behind his case, no. But because there's not a lot of people who are putting their hands or dipping their hands into their pockets to part away with just a penny or dollar or 50 cents. People can't afford to do that. Yet they need people to clap hands for when they are saying things that they want to hear. You see, this kind of gospel that just tickles your ears is not going to help you guys. The gospel that tells you the truth, I think, is the one that saves, the one that empowers, and the one that actually paves the way for you into reality. Look at Nyokayemabhunu before him. You tend to realize that there are some people who actually did put their lives on line for the people and still went on to become the most hated. I've got people like Hopo Chingono, the Zimbabwean journalist. We all know Hopo. If you don't know Hopo, then you're not living. We have had people like, what was this pastor? Pastor Ivan. Even when he competed to be a counselor, he was beaten in the elections, showing that people are not after you, but people are just after somebody who can risk their lives for them. And when things are going the way they want, they clap hands for you. But if things do change, you become an enemy, you are damned, you are not recognized in courts, you are useless. So this is the situation that this young guy finds himself facing up to, this young Nyokayemabhunu guy. The interview with between Point 5, what's his name, DJ Holly? Yeah, DJ Holly, Point 5, and the lawyers of the young guy, Wellington, what's the name, Yugi. I listened to it, just a quick one. I've got some paperwork here with me. What they are saying, they're not coming up open to people. They're just saying, we are needing money. No, tell people the figure. You guys, you are needing 50,000 rands. Tell people we need 50,000 rands. Then every person starts to contribute towards that. Right now, if this case was tried today, right, and let's say Nyokayemabhunu has been released, just like the custom of the system in law, if you are a foreigner and you have been arrested, yes, the courts will release you, but by the doors and the gates, the immigration takes over. Verify your immigration status before they allow you to be released. Nyokayemabhunu's immigration status is not yet determined. So for that reason, let's say the case had gone through today and had been concluded. Nyokayemabhunu was going to be arrested by the South African immigration and was going to be deported. Reason being, Nyokayemabhunu up till now hasn't had any fingerprints taken by the South African government, the South African police, to determine who he is. as much as the application is there, it's not very active. The solicitor should have come clear about that. It's not very active because fees haven't been paid. So it's in but not very it's in but not active. So people need to put together money to make sure that all his applications are active. Had he been deported today, people were still going to blame the government. I want to be very honest with you. We have spoken behind the scenes with people concerned. We have spoken behind the scenes with people responsible. We have spoken behind the scenes pertaining this issue. I'm not mincing my words. I'm telling you the truth. The deportation of that young guy, if this is not fixed, it's all to have people to blame, not the government. Understand me very clearly. It is going to be the people to blame. And the people I'm talking about, it's you people that have been clapping hands for the young guy. So if you believe he's your guy, put together your monies. Make sure that all the applications are made. Make sure that all the applications are activated. You are needing, from the papers that I have, you guys are needing 50,000 rands. Yeah? 50,000 rands is what is needed. So make sure you put your pennies together and don't just, instead of you putting a comment negative, try and make sure that you are dipping into your pocket to put $1 towards the release of that young guy. Other than that, this case to me is almost concluded. Remember, I hinted you that he's going to be released in September. And I still hold on to that date. The people that told me, if I want to believe they're still keeping to their promise. So do what you have to do and stop blaming anybody else. This case is in the hands of the people, the majority that have been sitting behind this young guy. So for now, I'm out. Raise the money for the guy. If you can do that, he stands very high chances of being released in September. Trust me 100%. I said it and I still stand by it because I trust the people that told me. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye for now.